really important. We're not just trying to base our sustainability credentials on the fact that we actually build wind turbines. We actually want to show that our emissions are reducing as well while we're actually making a change in the world. Absolutely, absolutely. Very similar to the US in terms of how far we go, in terms of the travel, the service departments, construction side of things. Very, very similar to what we do in the US, we do here in Australia. Definitely see it happening here. Oh, very important. I mean, COVID showed us that, we had so much coming inside Australia, but from overseas, and that all stopped. It's really important to be getting the jobs back in Australia, as well as keeping the capability here, growing the technology.